Okay, so I need to take this serpentine belt off to get to that stand out there. So I'm going to do a quick video on taking this thing off. I've got a 1/2-inch breaker bar with a number 15 millimeter socket on there, and I've just put it onto this tensioner pulley. And what I'm going to do, just pull this thing back, and you can see all the tension's releasing from that belt. Just pull it right on off. Put it on, you just go in the exact opposite direction. And of course that wasn't the belt I needed. It appears that the belt I need is on the air conditioner, so I'll have to take that air conditioner, that compressor off.